Top 10 emerging techs that could reshape our world, ranked from 10 to 1. Every year, I keep an eye out for these big, forward-looking lists. One of the most comprehensive ones comes from the World Economic Forum, and it gets wide coverage. Outlets like SciTech Daily. They pull together experts from all over the globe to identify technologies about to hit their stride. It's not just about what's new, it's about what's impactful. These breakthroughs are poised to move from the lab into our lives, into our industries, and into society. It's basically a cheat sheet for the future. This year's list leans heavily into two massive themes: sustainability, artificial intelligence. We've seen conversations on X about ethical AI, and sustainable tech hit huge audiences. The questions are getting more serious. How do we power our future cleanly? How do we trust the information we see online? How do we use AI to solve real-world problems instead of just creating new ones? This list attempts to answer some of that. We'll run through the entire list, from 10 to 1. I'll give you a clean, simple breakdown. What it is, why it matters, and where you'll see its impact first. Not deep dives, just high level. We're aiming for a quick 5-minute breakdown. Let's get right into it. Starting at number 10. So, coming in at number 10, we have advanced solid-state batteries. Replace the liquid or gel electrolyte with a solid material. This one simple change has a massive ripple effect. First, you get a huge boost in energy density, more power in the same size, or the same power in a much smaller, lighter package. For electric vehicles, this is the holy grail: longer range, shorter charging times, lighter cars. But it's not just about performance, it's also about safety. Liquid electrolytes are flammable, the root cause of those rare, but scary fires. Solid-state batteries are more stable and less prone to overheating, making them safer for your phone, your car, and your home's energy storage. As we electrify everything and harden grids, batteries that are powerful and fundamentally safer are a game-changer, a foundational technology other future tech will build upon. At number 9, we're getting into the seriously mind-bending stuff: quantum sensing. Forget traditional sensors. These leverage superposition and entanglement to measure with unimaginable precision, detecting changes in gravity, detecting magnetic fields, detecting time. It's like upgrading from centimeters to measuring the width of an atom. Applications are broad: medicine, pinpoint brain imaging to help Alzheimer's and epilepsy. Navigation, works when GPS fails, even deep underwater or underground. Geology, monitoring volcanic activity and finding hidden water. A leap in perceiving the world, opening doors to new discoveries. Okay, number 8, integrated sensing and computing. Today most devices capture, then ship data to a separate processor. That takes time, power, and creates latency. Breakthrough, put the sensor and the computer on one chip, edge to the extreme, sensing and thinking in the same place, same time. Immediate benefit, speed, critical milliseconds can prevent accidents. It slashes power use for IoT. Chapter 7. Now for number 7, where AI gets really creative. Generative AI for molecular and materials discovery. We've seen AI write essays or make art. Now imagine prompting new molecules and materials. Ask for a molecule that binds a specific protein or a material that's lightweight and super strong. AI can generate and simulate millions of structures, predicting properties before synthesis. Faster drug discovery, better catalysts, next-gen materials. It imagines what could exist. Chapter 6. At number 6, scalable precision fermentation and biomanufacturing, using bacteria, yeast, and algae. Not new for food, but now programmable and scalable. We can program microbes as tiny factories to make specific high-value proteins, enzymes, and compounds at scale. Instead of raising a cow for milk proteins, program yeast to produce them in a tank. Massive potential. Alternative proteins with less land, water, and energy. Better enzymes and biodegradable materials. Chapter 5. Cracking the top 5. Next-generation green fertilizer production. Nitrogen fertilizer changed the world, but Haber-Bosch is energy-hungry and accounts for roughly 1 to 2% of global emissions. Breakthroughs. Low-emission routes powered by renewable electricity, or engineering microbes to fix nitrogen directly in soil. Decarbonize a carbon-heavy process so we can feed more people without heating the planet. Chapter 4. Alright, at number 4. Decentralized digital identity and trust systems. Your online identity is fragmented across companies. They hold your data. Decentralized identity flips the model. putting you in control with a secure portable wallet of verified credentials. You decide what to share, prove facts without revealing everything. It boosts privacy and trust, moving beyond today's data-for-service internet. Chapter 3. At a very timely number 3, AI watermarking and provenance tools. As generative AI improves, telling human versus AI apart is hard. Disinformation rises, trust erodes, IP gets murky. 2 approaches. Watermark AI media, to certify it as synthetic, and track provenance with a secure chain of custody. See origin, edits, and whether AI was used. Not banning AI, ensuring transparency to rebuild trust. Chapter 2. The runner-up. Integrated mixed reality spatial computing. The evolution of AR and VR. Seamlessly blending physical and digital. Think of it as a 3-dimensional operating system for your life. From surgeons overlaying scans to architects walking full-scale models, and a dozen virtual monitors for productivity. Intuitive, immersive, spatial. Chapter 1. And finally, at number 1, AI-driven climate adaptation and sustainability platforms. This fuses AI, data, and sustainability to tackle our biggest challenge. Climate change is here. Use AI to adapt, smart, predictive, efficient. Build a planetary nervous system for infrastructure and ecosystems. Ingest massive data from satellite stations and sensors to power sophisticated predictive models. Predict floods and deploy defenses. Optimize farm inputs and balance grids to integrate renewables. It's a system of systems for actionable resilience. So, there you have it. From better batteries to a smarter planet. The WEF's top 10 picks shaping our near future.